Hi everyone, welcome back to the new video in this channel. Today I will guide you how to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. For that, open the Instagram app and make sure you have signed in on your Instagram account. Tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now you need to tap on three line icon at the upper right corner. Now scroll down and tap on your activity option. Scroll down again and under how you use Instagram, tap on recent searches option. You need to simply tap on clear all. So now in order to confirm, you need to tap on clear all. So this will delete all your recent searches on Instagram. Let's come back again from here, and when you are on the settings and activity, you can scroll down again, and now under more info and support, tap on help option. Tap on report a problem, and after that you need to select report problem without checking. Here you need to tap on include and continue option. You can briefly explain what happened or what's not working here. Once you have typed in your problem, you can easily tap on send at the upper right corner. You can also upload any attachment if you have any, and after that your Instagram search suggestions when typing will be deleted. So I hope you got the information well. If this video was helpful for you, then like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.